Hello, my little friends. How are you all? Today we are going to see chapter 5, that is editing text in Microsoft Word 2010. So let's start. Before that, yes, what is editing? Editing यानी क्या? So it is the changes. Changes means like you want to change the font color, you want to change the font size, you want to do paragraph formatting, text formatting, and many more things. So let's start. So first of all, it is an application software. As you know that there is system software and application software. From that, this is an application software. Application क्यों? क्योंकि इसमें हम लोग Word document we are typing, we are doing modification and many more. It was been introduced by Microsoft Corporation. ये किसने बनाया है? That Microsoft Corporation. So thank you to them. And yes, it produces letters, reports, notices, newsletters. आप बहुत सारी चीजें इसमें कर सकते हो, like you can write letter, reports, okay. Even you can do modification. Modification means to do the changes while you are typing. यानी आप typing कर रहे हो तभी भी, and after typing यानी जब पूरा complete कर लिया, after that also you can do the changes. Next is to beautify the text. Yes, you can see here that I've changed the background color, I've changed the text color, and many more things. I've given the bullets, numbering. Okay, so these things you can do with the help of Microsoft Word. Yes, even you can copy and move the text. यानी आपको text इधर से उधर means you want to move it like from one file to another or from one place to another of that same file एक document में तो आप कर सकते हो. Even you can see the preview of the text. अगर आपको preview देखना है, yes, you can see the preview. Like I will show you over here the preview of it. So you can see the preview. Okay, so this way you can see the preview of it. Then next is starting Microsoft Word. How you will start it? So click on Start, All Programs, Microsoft Office and Microsoft Word 2010. Okay, and also you can go to the search and you can type it over there, Microsoft Word or Word just. I think so. If you want to write Word, if you are having latest one, तो Word लिखोगे तो भी वो आ जाएगा. Okay, in the search. Next is temporary, the name is given document 1. You can see here the temporary, the name is document 1. And as you will go for the new document, तो वो document 2, document 3 it will give if you have not saved it. अगर आपने save नहीं किया है दूसरे नाम से तो वो वही आएगा. Okay. A small blinking vertical line is known as the insertion point or cursor. जैसे आपको यहाँ दिख रहा है that I am keeping the cursor over there. देखो. So this is called the blinking line. Okay. This is called the blinking line. This is called the blinking line. Okay. So that is called the cursor. As you start typing, the cursor automatically shifts to the right. यानी जैसे जैसे आप लिखोगे, like I will just show you here. I will write, so you can see over there कि हाँ वो right side पे move हो रहा है the cursor. Okay. So this is the thing. Now we will see the components. Okay. Like you can see the file tab. In file tab many options are there. I will just show you or also that in file you have new, open, save, save as and many more options related to file. Okay. Quick access toolbar. You can see the quick access toolbar. In that commonly used commands, आपको बहुत सारे commands आपको यहीं मिल जाएंगे, right, which you are using commonly. Next is title bar, which is at the top. आपको top में जो दिख रहा है that is known as the title bar. Okay. Next, minimize, maximize and close. Minimize means it will go down. Okay. You can see that I have moved it down. Maximize means उसे बड़ा करना. I will just keep it and when you will click on maximize, it will turn to restore and it will come back to its original size. देखो. Okay, this way. Yes, you can do, and even you can click on close to close the whole program. यानी आपको पूरा program बंद करना है, file बंद करनी है. Yes, you have to go for the close. Okay, then we are having ribbon. As you can see that I have just hided the ribbon. Here you will see the ribbon and with that the tabs and the groups. Okay, then we have over there next, that is about the cursor. As I have told you that the cursor, a blinking line will be there, that is called the cursor. And then we will have the status bar, which is at the bottom. यानी आपको bottom में जो यहाँ दिख रहा है, you can see that 1 of 3, then 496 words. Okay, तो वो क्या है? That is called the status bar at the bottom of the window. Now how to create a new document? आप create करना चाहते हो new document, then how you will do it? So first of all, the shortcut key is there, Control plus N. तो कंट्रोल और एन आपको साथ में प्रेस करना है, और अदरवाइज यू कैन गो बाय फाइल. इन दैट new option. You can see over here blank document. Okay. Then the third way is that you will see over here in the quick access toolbar, that is new document option. If you are not having, अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो आप क्या करना है, आपको क्लिक करना है यहाँ and you will go with the more commands and you will find it in this. आपको यहाँ find करना है all commands में new. Okay, n से new find out करना है and then it will be done. ओके देखो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, ऐसे ही आप दूसरे भी ले सकते हो. यू कैन गो फॉर अनदर वन, लाइक आई विल गो टू एन. You can see here n, right? I already have it, so I have to not to select it. You can see here new file option. Okay, मेरे पास already है, so yes, you can click on it and click on add. Okay, so this way you can go for many commands which you wanted on the quick access toolbar. Now the next thing, that is about saving a document. आपको save करना है document को, then what you will do? First of all, the shortcut key, that is Control and S, you will press together. Okay, Control और S आप साथ में press करोगे, or you can go by File tab in that Save option. Okay, I have already saved it, so I will go for Save As. Okay, मैं दूसरी फाइल में दिखाती हूँ. I will just show it in the another file. Here, I'll just press File and then I will click on Save. So you will see that it will ask me where I want to save it. तो मैं browse करूँगी. You will see the Save As dialog box. यहाँ आपको Save As dialog box मिल रहा है, right? You will give the name, like you want to give first file, like that. I will give the name. Okay, and I will click on Save. Okay, so my file name is changed. आपको टाइटल बार में दिख रहा होगा कि फाइल का नाम चेंज हो गया. Okay, now the next thing that we are going to see, that is about save button on the quick access toolbar. This is the save button. As you will move the cursor, you can see the shortcut key with that. आपको वहाँ shortcut key भी मिल जाएगा. Closing a document. If you want to close a document, then the shortcut key is Control plus W, and with that you have in the File tab close option. आपको यहाँ close का option मिल जाता है, so you can close the file. File को close करेगा, program नहीं. Opening a document. अब already जो आपने save किया है, which you have already saved it, that you want to open that file. So what you can do, I will just close this file. मैंने ये जो first file बनाई है, and I will show it how to open it. So what you will do, you can go for shortcut Control plus O, or you can go by File tab Open, or the third method, that is on quick access toolbar, you will have open option. So you can see here, this is my open option. I'll click on it again. Here you can see, yes, this is a very important part. आपको यहाँ recent document जो मैंने recently मैंने जो बनाया, that file you can see it over here. Okay, तो आप उसके ऊपर click कर सकते हो, and if you want कि continuously आप use कर रहे हो, then you can pin on it. Okay, आप उसके ऊपर pin करके रख सकते हो. Okay, तो बार बार आपको देखने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो अपने आप वहां आ जाएगा at the first only. Okay, now the next way, that was a tip. Browse and then yes, you can go to the first file, right? So I'll just write it. You can see your first file and click on open. So my file is opened over here. Okay, now the next one is to print a document. Now the shortcut key, that is Control plus P. Okay, I will press it and I will show you over here. Control plus P, so it will show the preview at the first. Okay, next is file. In that you have the option of print. Okay, you can see the option of print. Then the third option, that is you will see over here print preview. Okay, so print preview and print. So you can see the preview of it. आपको दिखेगा कि कैसा वो print out होकर आएगा. So वो pages में दिखेगा आपको. Okay, so you can see here that print preview option. And after that, yes, exiting a document, right? Exiting means what? Here to close. आपको close करना है पूरे document को और program को, right? तो आप Alter plus F4. Here you have the Alter key and with that F4 function key. If it is a laptop, तो आपको function key on करना है. In menu of the laptop it is there कि function key को on करना पड़ता है and then you have to go for F4. Okay, for exiting. Then the second, that is from file tab, you have exit, and yes, you can click on the close button on the title bar. Next is to do the selection of the text using the mouse. This is very important. आप mouse का use करके कैसे आप selection करोगे? Like I will make a double click on the word. यानी ये word को मुझे select करना है. I will make a double click. मैंने double click किया. If I want to select the sentence, तो मैं control key I'm pressing with that, and I will click on the control key, and then yes, I've clicked. देखो, I'll show it again, control, and then I've selected the area, so the sentence is selected. Now paragraph, if you want to select the paragraph, you have to make a triple means 3 times. Okay, triple click means 3 times, or otherwise आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ आपको जाना है इस एरिया में. Okay, and then you can go to the selection bar. On the left margin you will go here, and yes, you will make a double click. Yes, okay, again I will show 1 2. Okay, so double click. Now entire document, in that triple click on the selection bar. अगर आपको पूरा document आपको चाहिए कि select हो जाए, you will make a triple click. Sorry. Okay, you can see I have clicked 3 times and the whole document is selected. You can see the whole document is selected. Okay, so you can make a triple click. Now the shortcut keys. Yes, अगर entire document यानी पूरा document आपको select करना है, sometimes we are doing the font selection, font size, तो उसके लिए हमें चाहिए कि पूरे document में वही रहे. So what we can do, we can go with the shortcut Control plus A. Then moving the text. अगर आपको move करना है text को, like here I want to move this text, मुझे ये text को move करना है. So what I will do, Control X and Control V. Okay, or I can go with the cut and paste option in the clipboard. मेरे पास cut और paste का option है, and yes, you can also make a right click and you have the option of cut and paste. Okay, I will show you by the shortcut method, that is Control X. मैंने Control X, I will show by Control X. Control X I have done, and now I will go with Control V. You can see here that it is pasted. Okay, so what I have done, moving, यानी वहां से उसे हटाकर मैंने क्या किया, I move to the last. Okay, now the next I will do, that is copying. Copying means it will be over here also, यहाँ भी वो रहेगा और next जगह पर भी वो paste हो जाएगा. Okay, so Control plus C, you can see Control plus C. Again the same method, copy paste. So Control C and Control V, right? And here copy and paste. Okay, and by the right click, 3 ways. Okay, now yes, remember what you have to do. You understand the 3 ways, that is, what is it? Shortcut key Control C and V, then copy and paste, and the third by making a right click on it. Okay, so I will just show you by right click. Copy I have done, and then I will paste it again next to it. So what I will do, I will again make a right click and I will click on paste. You can see here that it is pasted. Okay, here you can see that it is being pasted over there. Okay, so now the next part we will move on, that is delete the text. अगर आपको delete करना है text को, तो from the right side, right, from the right side of the cursor, like I want कि मैं यहाँ cursor रख रही हूँ and from here whatever I have written that will be deleted, तो I will press the delete key. मैं यहाँ से delete की, you can see that from the right side, cursor के right side से वो delete हो रहा है. Okay, what it is doing, from the right side it is deleting. But if I want it from the left side, right, तो मैं अभी यहाँ से करना चाहती हूँ. So what will happen, that backspace key you will press it, so it will delete it from the left side. Cursor के left side का वो सारा delete करता जाएगा. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, now if you want to delete the word, okay, अब delete the word तो आपको control इसके साथ press करना है. Okay, so here I'll just go over here and I will show you, right. I will press Control key and with that backspace. What is this? You can see the word is being deleted. Okay, that also from the left side. Now from the right side, so control and what we will press, I am pressing, you will write in the comment box, आप comment box में लिखना कि क्या प्रेस करेंगे, तो हम लोग राइट साइड से वर्ड को डिलीट करेंगे. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट वी हैव इट, that is about control Z and control Y. Control Z is for undo, right? Control Z is for undo and control Y is for redo. Control Y is for redo. Okay, तो हमें redo करना है, right? तो control Z to reverse the effect of the last command, यानी मैंने जो भी last command दिया था, आपको यहाँ दिख रहा होगा कि मैंने यहाँ delete किया था, right? So I will just go with the control Z option. You can see that everything will come back. You can see that everything will come back because I have given control Z. So जो भी मैंने last command दिया था, जो भी जितने भी last actions दिए थे, at least 16 actions it will take, right? तो 16 actions तक हो जाएगा, तो yes, I will get it back this all things. Okay. Now whatever I have performed, मैंने control Z किया था, right? Now I will go with control Y, so it will redo that all thing. यानी जो मैंने पहले commands दिए थे वो सारे वापस आएंगे. देखो, you can, I'll just do it again. Okay, मैंने ये delete backspace किया. Now I'll go with control Z. Okay, अब मैंने control Y किया. You can see that it is going back. यानी वो सारा जो मैंने undo कमांड दिया था उसको वो कैंसिल कर देगा. जो undo कमांड मैंने दिया था उससे वो कैंसिल करेगा. Again just see control Z, right? And what it has done कि मैंने जो भी डिलीट किया था वो वापस आ गया. Now ये जो कमांड मैंने लास्टली दिया undo के लिए उसको वो निकाल देगा, right? तो कंट्रोल Y यानी वापस वो डिलीट हो जाएगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट आफ्टर दैट वी हैव लास्टली F7 and shift plus F7. यहाँ F7 and shift plus F7 is what? So here F7 when we are using, then it will show the spelling and grammar. अगर आपने कोई mistake की है, right? If you have done any mistake, then it will show in F7. That is red wavy line and green wavy line. But now it is not green; it is also blue with that. आपको दिख रहा होगा कि blue wavy lines also it is being shown. Just I will show you here. I will write it one sentence and I will show you. This is our umbrella. Okay, so here you can see that blue wavy line, that is for the grammar it is showing. Okay, and then yes, if I am writing my name, you can see here I've written the name and yes, you can see there is a red wavy line. Why? Because I've written name which is unknown for the dictionary of computer. So what it will do, it will show red wavy line. So I will press F7, the shortcut key, and yes, it will be done. Up here, otherwise you can go to review and in that you can go for check spelling and grammar. You can see here, okay. So this is the thing. Now yes, shift plus F7 if you will press, so what will happen that it will show the meaning of it. Like मुझे reverse का meaning जानना है, I can also make a right click and I can have the option over here. Okay, that is of synonyms. Okay, yeah, that is also known as thesaurus. Or you can go by shift plus F7, or here also we have in the review tab thesaurus. Okay, hope you all have understand about this chapter. Please like, share and comment on my videos and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon. And please comment on my videos. This is very much important so I can understand that whatever you are having the query, I can solve it, okay, by my channel. Thank you.